Excuse me, how much is that backpack?
Hi, it's 50 souls.
Okay, I want one backpack, please. 50 so, right?
Yes, that's correct.
And how much is this notebook?
That age souls.
Please, I want two notebook, please.
Oh, true notebooks are 16 souls.
Okay, how much are these pencils?
That three souls age.
Perfect. I want two pencils, please. That's 6 so, right?
Yes,
How much is that ruler?
it's 5 souls.
Okay, one ruler, please. So 5 so, right?
Correct.
How much is everything?
The total is 77 cash or card.
Card, please. Here's my card.
Thank you. Here's your card and your receipt.
Thank you.